The webhooks setting in FreightDesk Online lets your external systems receive shipment updates automatically. Instead of making repeated API calls to check for changes, your webhook will receive information about the shipment using the post method when the order is fulfilled. To enable this feature, go to Settings, Webhooks, and enter your website's post endpoint URL in the webhook URL field for the order fulfillment webhook. After toggling the webhook to active, FreightDesk Online will automatically trigger the webhook whenever a shipment is created. A JSON payload is sent to your specified URL containing key shipment details, such as the shipment date, expected delivery date, carrier name, tracking number, and other fulfillment information. This allows your external systems to update orders in real time, automate fulfillment, and streamline your shipping workflows.